So Gmail just got its biggest upgrade in years with two incredible AI features, AI Overviews and AI Inbox. Each of these is changing how we deal with email. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in to see what these features are all about. Let's start with the first feature, AI Overviews. Imagine opening an email thread with 50 replies, and instead of scrolling through every single one, you just get the short version. That's what AI Overviews offers. Instead of reading message after message just to catch up, you get a clear summary of what actually happened in the thread. What's more, it doesn't stop at summarizing. You can actually ask it questions about your inbox in plain, everyday English. But how does Gmail manage to understand and answer questions like that? The secret lies in Gemini 3, the same AI model family now built directly into Gmail. This is made possible by Gemini's ability to read through your messages and understand what's actually being asked, rather than just searching for matching keywords. So instead of digging through a thread yourself, you can just ask and get a direct answer. The practical applications of AI Overviews are vast. Say you're catching up on a long client thread that's been going back and forth for 2 weeks. Instead of scrolling through 50 messages to figure out where things landed, you can just ask, "What was the final decision on the deadline?" And Gmail gives you the answer straight from the thread. It's like having an assistant who already read everything for you. AI Overviews works just as well for questions that go beyond one single thread. Say you're trying to remember which of your contacts confirmed a meeting time last week. Instead of opening thread after thread, checking each one yourself, you can just ask, "Did anyone confirm the meeting time?" And Gmail pulls the answer from wherever it actually is in your inbox. It works the same way, even when the information is buried deep in an old conversation. Say you vaguely remember agreeing on a price with a client months ago, but can't recall the exact number. Instead of scrolling back through months of messages trying to find that one line, you just ask, "What price did we agree on with this client?" And Gmail surfaces it instantly, no matter how far back it was said. It also comes in handy when you're short on time. Say you're about to jump on a call in 2 minutes, and you need to know if a specific attachment ever arrived. Instead of scanning through your inbox yourself, you just ask, "Has the contract file come in yet?" And Gmail tells you immediately, instead of you spending those 2 minutes searching manually. It even helps when you're trying to track something across several different people. Say a project has been discussed across 3 separate email chains with different teammates, and you just need to know where things stand right now. Instead of opening all 3 threads and piecing it together yourself, you ask, "What's the current status on the project?" And Gmail combines what it finds across all of them into one clear answer. Next, we have AI Inbox. This feature changes the entire way your inbox is organized. For almost 20 years, Gmail worked the same way. Newest email on top, oldest at the bottom. Scroll until you find what you need. AI Inbox breaks that pattern completely. Instead of a strict chronological list, you get a prioritized briefing-style view. What's more, this is designed around how people actually want to start their day. You don't want every promotional email and newsletter competing for your attention with a message from your boss. You want the important things surface first, and everything else pushed down. And just like AI Overviews, this feature runs on Gemini 3 too. Reading your inbox to understand what actually matters to you, instead of just sorting by time received. The practical applications of AI Inbox are just as useful. Say you open your inbox first thing in the morning, after being offline all night. Instead of scrolling past 40 emails in the order they arrived to find the 2 that actually matter, AI Inbox already has them sitting at the top. It's like getting handed a briefing that's already been sorted for you before you even open the app. It's just as helpful during a packed workday. Say you're in back-to-back meetings and only get 30 seconds to glance at your phone between them. Instead of trying to judge which of the new emails is actually urgent, just from the subject line, AI Inbox has already done that sorting. So the one thing you actually need to see is right there, waiting at the top. It also makes a difference on days when your inbox is genuinely overwhelming. Say 50 new emails came in overnight, between newsletters, automated notifications, and a handful of real messages that actually need a reply. In the old chronological list, those real messages are scattered randomly among all the noise. With AI Inbox, they're already grouped at the top, so you're not the one doing the filtering every single morning. It holds up on quieter days too. Say only a few emails came in, but one of them is genuinely time sensitive, while the rest can easily wait until later. In the old inbox, that urgent message could just as easily sit buried under 3 newsletters that all arrived a minute earlier. With AI Inbox, the order isn't decided by timing at all. It's decided by what you'd actually want to see first. So there you have it. 2 incredible AI features from Gmail that are changing how we deal with email. Gmail stopped being a filing cabinet you had to organize yourself. These features not only summarize what you'd otherwise have to read, but also decide what deserves your attention first. Gmail is no longer just an inbox you scroll through. It's becoming a briefing your AI prepares for you. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates on AI and technology. And also hit the bell icon to stay notified about my future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.